What's going on YouTube? GSN right here. A brand new iOS exploit for iOS 18.5 and lower for all devices was released, and it's already being used in an application. This application, Write the Symlink, created by a developer in our community, has already taken full advantage of that exploit, and this exploit allows you to essentially write to the var mobile containers path. So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate how the app works. I press continue over here, and it creates a symbolic link, and then if you click next, you can see that a file will be created. So it's now done, it says in there. So it creates a file, and once it creates that file, it proves the fact that the example file can be created on that path, which is normally not available without a jailbreak. Now, what we could use this kind of exploit? Well, I'm glad you asked. We're going to get into that. So the exploit is now available over here, was posted by this developer. So it says the exploit that can let you write anything to var mobile containers, support iOS 16.0 up to 18.5 or until Apple patched it. Now, there is an interesting story about this exploit. It's also mentioned here in the GitHub account. It turns out that they actually reported this to Apple, and Apple said that, well, it's not a security issue, so they did not patch it. They did not issue a CVE for it, so the developer made it public. And as you can see, this exploit now works up to the latest iOS version on the latest devices. But it's actually a security issue that we can use. Not for a full jailbreak, no, it's not that powerful. But it can write to the var mobile containers, which gives me a lot of ideas of tweaks that I can do without being jailbroken. This can be integrated in applications like Dirty Zero maybe. In my application, iDevice Toolkit, definitely. I will provide an update for my application very soon that takes advantage of it. And yeah, this is overall a pretty good addition, because it works on iOS 18.5 and lower. Now, the application that I just demonstrated, the one that demonstrates the vulnerability itself, is actually available over here. You can get it and test it yourself. It's the Write the Symlink 1.0. Anyway, this video was brought to you by Flexstore. They provide all existing jailbreaks in IPA format available without a computer. So you can get the uncovered jailbreak, you can get the dopamine jailbreak, sign it right away directly from your device. No computer needed, no alt server and stuff like that. So if you don't have a computer and you don't want to bother with one, you can use a certificate provided by them to sign your jailbreak tools. Definitely check it out below. Thank you for watching. I'm GSNO. Till the next time, subscribe to stay updated, and peace out.